How to write on the photos in your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can write in your photos of the iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your photos. Now here you have to select the photo in which you want to type, and after selecting the photo what you have to do is, as you can see that here is in the top right corner there is the option of the edit. You just have to click on it. So once you are in here, in the top there is the option of the pen type icon. You have to click on it. Now basically this option is called markup. Now from here you can add any of the photos in your iPhone. So what you have to do is simply click on this first link, and here you have to select the pen type icon and you just have to select it. And after that, to select the colors you have to click on this circle icon, and from here you can select the colors. Now basically there is the two option. One is the grid, and from here you can select the color that you want. And after that, the second option is of the spectrum. Here you can select the spectrum, that how much spectrum you want to add in your photo. And the last one is the slider, and here you can select the slider. And after that what you have to do is simply click on the OK, and you just have to save the changes. And from here you can type anything that you want to add in your photo, and you just have to click on the done, and you just have to save the changes. And this is the photo that I will edit right now. So that's how you can write on your photos in your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.